The death toll from Hurricane Irma in the Caribbean is now at least 24. This has been confirmed by the Caribbean Disaster Emergency Management Agency in a statement released earlier today.
Hurricane continued its path of destruction Friday, tearing through sections of Cuba and central Bahamas. And right here in Jamaica, the Met Service says this afternoon's heavy rains, which were caused by a spiral band associated with Irma, and remains on track to Florida as a Category 5 storm. With the latest, here's TVJ's Vashon Brown.
The scale of devastation from Hurricane Irma can be seen from the air and on the ground. Entire islands devastated, damaged by Irma's relentless winds. Pictures of the destruction are still emerging. The tarmac of St. Martin's Airport has been turned into a wreckage site. Inside the airport, it looks like a bomb went off. The powerful hurricane is being blamed for more than 20 deaths across the region so far. 4 of the deaths have been confirmed on the British Virgin Islands. The other deaths were confirmed in St. Martin, St. Bart's, the U.S. Virgin Islands, Puerto Rico, Barbuda, and Anguilla. On Friday, Irma hurtled north of the Caribbean, leaving more catastrophic damage in its wake as it closed in on Florida, where it could slam into Miami this weekend. The storm churned in the Atlantic between southeastern Cuba and the Turks and Caicos Islands on Friday morning. In the Grand Turks, the hurricane ripped off roofs, flooded streets, snapped utility poles, causing an island-wide blackout. Bahamas also felt the effects of Irma on Friday. The Caribbean Disaster Emergency Management Agency, SEDEMA, said the Dominican Republic and Haiti fared much better than other countries affected by Irma. Executive Director of SEDEMA, Ronald Jackson, says the agency has received preliminary information of flooding on the northern sections of both countries. As Irma leaves, Hurricane Jose, which is a dangerous Category 4 storm, is following in its wake, targeting some of the very islands devastated by Hurricane Irma. A hurricane watch is in effect for Antigua and Barbuda, Anguilla, St. Martin and St. Bart's. A tropical storm watch has been issued for St. Thomas and St. John, the British Virgin Islands, Montserrat, as well as St. Kitts and Nevis. The good news is that the forecast track does not have Jose making landfall, but it will bring wind and rain. Recent data from an Air Force Hurricane Hunter plane indicate that maximum sustained winds are near 150 miles per hour with higher gusts. Some fluctuations in intensity are possible for the next day or so, and gradual weakening is expected after that. Vashon Brown, TVJ News.